Hello, friends. What's going on? Oh, it's another buddy of mine. Nice. Whoa, man. So anyway, friends, how's it going? It's your boy Ransom the Bolt on YouTube here. Gosh, what a gorgeous morning. You know, I you know, I really want to say thank you, Dan's garage. You know, but thank you so much for the amazing stickers that you gave me yesterday. Our lock. Oh no. What? Okay, there you go. Anyway, so just want to let you guys know that, well, today's a Friday. So a week, 7 days, friends. 7 days from now, and I'll be a graduate. And then I'm gonna be getting on here, and then I'm going to ooh, there's a big one. It might have chain horns. I don't know. Wait, there's a double one. No way. Ah, darn it. Woo! Nice. Awesome. So there you go. Nice. There's so many trucks coming over here, friends. It's not even funny. Oh man, that was good. That was the Gover 1600 for you guys that don't know. That's what YouTubers call it, the main loud thingy. Yep, it's a main loud thingy. And we'll get another one. Ah, he didn't look at me. Oh man. So yeah, I'm out here, hanging out with your boy, your YouTuber of choice, which I appreciate you guys a lot for that. Hang on, there's another one coming. Hello. GM trucking. Nice. Oh yeah, guys. This is what I'm all about, you know. I love trucks, and I love train horns, especially nowadays, you know. I get too often that, you know, we get lots of, what is that? That's me a tiny bee or something. But anyway, but yeah, this is friends, I hope you got the chance to look up on the link for my graduation party. I mean, my graduation. It'll be on the there's gonna be a link. There's a link already on posted on their website, also on their Facebook. Hang on. There's a big. Whoa. That's sick. There's a truck coming. Nice. Cool, man. Whoa. And I think there's another one coming here. Two. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, it's a big one, friends. Yeah. So, hope you guys are doing well. It's a Friday. Oh, yep. It's coming. Yep, it's coming. I only got one honk from those trucks. And, man, a lot of people here in Wisconsin are just awesome and friendly. Like, every time I come out here, there's no more than 5 trucks honking. Some days there are more. But, hopefully it's more now, because I'm out. Ah, come on, he didn't look at me. What the heck? It's my buddy, my buddy Steven Doolittle. Shout out to you, buddy. You know, thank you so much for telling other people, saying my other friends my address so I can, so if you really, will love to, send me something in the mail for my graduation party present, email my dad at brandberg@gmail.com. He'll probably say yes or no, depending on how, you know, he feels about it. There's no one coming. He waved. He waved. And I think there's maybe one more over there. I'm not sure. Sorry, this is a long video, friends. Hopefully I don't take too long. But there's another one. That might be the never mind those. He waved. There's another friendly guy that waved. Friends, there's so many cars over here, it's not even funny. Anyway, friends, I hope you're having a great Friday. And if you really like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. I just saw a big truck. But there's another one coming. Friends, I'm really sorry about that. Nice. Oh, yeah. Anyway, friends, I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you later. Josh Brandenburg, a.k.a. Josh Brandenburg, a.k.a. Ransom the Bullets on YouTube.